Hey people, so there is this series called Kafir that is on the Z app, Z Classic, whatever the Z app, and it stars Dia Mirza and Mohit Raina, and my God, like it is set in Kashmir, and basically it's the story of this so-called female militant who's been in an Indian jail for the past 8 years, and she's had her baby also there. I mean, I've yet to come across a series like, be it on Netflix, be it on any of these other Amazon Prime, that is so that that really, like, while when you're watching the series, it's like you suddenly feel like you are part of that whole setup. It's, I don't know, that connect is very strong with this particular thing. So I mean, the cast is like, Dia Mirza is, she convinces us that she is, this Pakistani hapless sweet little soul who's been caught in the whole mess. So hats off, yeah. I mean, that is the hallmark of good writing. I mean, when I was looking at the before I do my videos, I always do a bit of research, and then I realized it's practically a female the director is someone named Sonam Nair, and it's been edited by a lady, it's been written by a lady, so by a woman. So I think it's, perhaps that's why there's a lot of soul in the series. So people, you all have to watch it. It's called Kafir, and it's on the Z app. So on that note, and I just have to make this mention that one of the characters is his real name is Dara Sandhu. So he provides this very much needed this comic relief. I mean, in a very serious drama like this, to find someone with a good comic timing is, I think it's a very rare find. And Mohit Raina, of course, we've seen him as Lord Shiva in the series, the mythological series on TV. So it's an experience just watching this particular series on ZEE5. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.